Before you begin, remove the 2 rubber feet, the base enclosure, the battery, the M.2 solid-state drive, the power button board, the left fan, the right fan and IR board, and the system board. Removal. Place the system board face down. In the ascending order stenciled on the arm of the heatsink, remove the 3 P000 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink to the system board. Grasp the left and right edges of the heatsink and gently pull it up and away from the system board to remove it. Replacement. Note, before replacing the heatsink, the thermal grease should be replaced. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed. Align the heatsink with the screw wells on the system board and sit it into place. In the ascending order, stenciled on the arm of the heatsink, replace the 3 P000 Phillips head screws to secure the heatsink to the system board.